Hello, we're here today speaking with Stephen Moore from the Site Foreman. Welcome, Stephen.
Good morning, John.
Now, Stephen, how comfortable are people with home renovation, do you feel?
Look, I think COVID has sort of brought that out, that they've realised that, yes, they do want to make some spaces. And I think a lot of people are coming to terms with this might be the new way that we do things. And, that not having a study at home is now become important, that they've got to have a separate workspace that they can work on so they're not on the kitchen bench while mum's trying to do the cooking. So they're looking at that. They're also looking at how they live in the home.
Yes.
And I think people have decided that now is time to make some changes to the way that they operate in their own home.
Yeah, it's interesting, isn't it? Because the breakaway areas or the breakout areas of the home now have become more relevant, and we live in such an open plan environment that because it suits our lifestyle. But it's actually made us rethink a bit about that, hasn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. And one of the interesting facts that have come out, I recently saw some statistics where they talked about people were spending 23% extra last year than they over the previous year on their home renovations. And I think that's probably a combination of a couple of things. One, a lot of people haven't been doing their overseas travel, so they've got that little bit of extra money hanging around that they can put back into the home. And also, I think people just feel more comfortable that in their own home now,
Yes.
rather than thinking about doing other things.
Yeah. So if you'd like to contact the Site Foreman, of course, the website is www.thesiteforeman.com.au, or of course, bring the guys, the numbers in there. Or if you want renovation advice or build advice, all the team's here to help you out.